Okay, welcome back to Check It Out with Rich. We are with Brooke from Ramblin Man, and he does some pretty good work on campers, and we're going to find out what all he does. But first, I want to find out what started his company, how he all started, and your background.
Yeah, so we started after I retired from the Navy. Was looking for something to do, figure out what the next phase of life was for me. And it was either going to be go off and finish my education, get a PhD and go teach, or go be the neighborhood handyman. So now we are on the road. We've been doing this for 4 years, traveling in our RV, going around the country, enjoying life. But RV tech work for me just really hits both of those buttons. I get to be out here providing some education, getting my hands dirty doing some work, and traveling this beautiful country, having fun in the process.
You have 2 small kids too, right?
We do. We have 2 daughters.
Yes.
And so the family, we get together, we homeschool the kids. We're traveling all over this beautiful country, getting to enjoy what we have in front of us and enjoy our lives a bit more.
Good, good.
Also, my wife and I were both veterans. We both served in the Navy. I did 20. Emma did 8 years. And so this is a dual veteran-owned company. We support our military. We support law enforcement. We are here, and we'd like to support RVers. We love this community because for us, we had a great family within the RV community or in the military community. And we feel that RVers are very much the same. Everywhere we go, we meet new friends.
Okay.
We meet people along the way, and we build these relationships.
Yes, yeah. The RV community is a very, it's different. Once you get into it, it's like one big family. Yeah. Is it just you, or do you have other techs working with you?
So it started out with just Emma and I.
Okay.
And we started this company 3 years ago, a little over 3 years ago. And this got us really moving towards the freedom that we have today of being able to plan our schedule, travel where we want, do work where we want.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. But we noticed that there's a big need for below the frame work on RVs, more than I could handle by myself. So we have expanded. We have 6 techs on the road right now.
Wow.
And more people are interested in joining us. And so the more we can grow, we're bringing on quality RV techs who are already successful in their business. But we want to train them on the brakes, suspension, under the frame, so that that service is available to more RVers out there. And it's available more widely across the country. Mm-hmm. So as we grow, if you see Ramblin Man, you know that it's somebody who's a quality RV tech, but they've also been trained specifically in brakes, suspension, axles, bearings. So you're getting quality service across the board.
So you'll also branch out. Like I know Lynn works for you. And,
yes.
Lynn put in a microwave vent for us. So you don't just do suspension. You'll also do other things?
Right. So we all are certified RV techs. And while our specialty is brakes and suspension, like I said, the folks that we're bringing in, they've already been working in the RV industry for a few years, sometimes many years, and they already have themselves set up as experts within their field.
Okay.
So we do run the whole gamut of, we can take care of your RV top to bottom.
Okay. And what all do you do? I see you have a nice display up here, More Ride, D-Max, Godax.
Yeah, so we're out here at the Elkhart Fairgrounds supporting the Alliance National Rally right now. And what we're doing here is we're supporting More Ride. We're out here doing bearing repacks, suspension upgrades, disc brake upgrades. So you can see our beautiful D-Max display right here. And this shows you what we do as far as front to back on your trailer. So everywhere from the pump all the way back to the caliper and the disc brakes. This is just a nice little way to show it off and show off the work that we actually do when we're under the trailer, because you can't always crawl under there with us and see the work we're doing.
Yeah. And I see you have the Roadmaster.
Right. So we run all of it. We are product neutral. So we support More Ride, we support Dexter, we support Roadmaster, Kodiak for disc brakes, D-Max for disc brakes. Basically, we want to come in product neutral and be able to give you as the customer exactly what you need.
Okay.
Not what we can sell you, but what you need to make your ride the best and fit with the way that you RV.
Okay. And last year he put the Roadmaster on for me, and I do have to say, night and day. It's not a independent suspension, but it's as close as you can get without spending $10,000.
Yeah, Roadmaster is a great option.
Yeah.
And like I say, MoreRide has the Alltrek 4000, which is a fantastic upgrade, and that'll fit most people's needs.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're doing extensive travel, you want something a little better. And
Yes.
that's where Roadmaster comes in,
Yep.
and it's an excellent system.
Yep. So now here at the rally, we have MoreRide over here. And if I wanted to get that hitch put on my camper, I would go to them. Hey, I want this. Who could I have put it on? And Ramblin Man's right next to him. So
Yeah, so
you guys partner together like that.
we have partnered with MoreRide, and we are installing all of their suspension products here at the rally. So if you go over to the MoreRide booth and you buy a suspension product, you can walk right next door. We did this on purpose.
Yeah.
So that we can get you on the schedule and get you taken care of this week here at the rally. But also, yeah, if you want the hitches, come and buy them from MoreRide. We're out here putting them on. MoreRide's out here putting them on. We're a nice team. This is a great partnership between us and
Okay,
MoreRide,
good.
and we want to keep that rolling.
Yep.
But as we go out to the regional rallies, we'll be offering these as pre-sale items as well. So if you're looking for a hitch and you see us out at a regional rally, or you know we're coming to a regional rally,
Mm-hmm.
these are things that you can pre-order. We'll have shipped out, and we can put it on your trailer for you.
Good. Okay. Any other things on the horizon or anything else happening with Ramblin
Yeah,
Man?
so actually we were very fortunate to partner with HaloView this year, and they launched a new product, the Axle Temperature Sensor. So this is similar to the TPMS for your tires, but it's giving you a very good reading of what your bearings and brakes are doing as far as heat. So your TPMS picks up heat, but it takes a little while for the heat from your spindle or from your bearing to get out to your TPMS. This will give you that instant reading, real time. So instead of going through and feeling your hubs or shooting it with a laser gun every time you stop, you're getting real time information while you're driving.
Okay.
So the HaloView product is right next door over here.
Yeah. And another YouTuber collaborated with HaloView to develop this, and that is, come on in, John. John Tire from Tires on the Road.
Hi, Rich.
How you doing?
Brooke. Good
John?
to see you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about the HaloView? Not just the ATSs, but overall the whole deal.
Well, following up on what Brooke said about the HaloView and my collaboration with them to develop the Axle Temp Sensor, this all started back when, like you, HaloView reached out and said, hey, would you like to receive our product and do a review on it? And this was, I think it's a little over 2 years ago now. So to give you a little bit more of a backstory, I received the unit, opened it up, did the review on it, and first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box was the quality of the unit.
Yes.
And I started using it. The more I used it, the more I liked it. And I just kept finding more features that I really liked about it, especially with the 1080p cameras and the clarity of the monitor, being able to have 4 cameras on the BT7. I thought, you know what, this is going to be a really great company to be able to team up with, because I've always had a thought in the back of my mind is, why can't we monitor the temperature of our spindles and our bearings while we're traveling down the road? So I reached out to them, and they were kind of hit or miss about it, weren't really enthused. So I started collaborating with them on the development of the Axle Temp Sensors, sending them pictures, and they saw, okay, hey, there is a need for this. Let's do some work. So I developed the first 2 prototype axle mounts, and then once we had that data, they developed the next axle mount, which is the one we went to production with, and we're selling now on the road, and it shows. So the great thing about HaloView is that the expandability of the platform with side cameras, traffic cam, dash cam, the rear camera, and the ability to record when you're going down the road. So the most important thing, and it was a great fit with Ramblin Man, was the safety aspect of always getting you down the road safely and making sure you get to your destination. And it just all fit really well to be able to bring Brooke and Emma in and the Ramblin Men and be able to run with them and be able to promote the product on the road, because the bearing temperature sensor is so important, because in the back of your mind when you're running down the road, you're always thinking that's a wild card. Now you have that data point coming in to let you know that, hey, I have a bearing that's not happy and it's going to need some attendance. It's going to need some work. So instead of being on the side of the road, sitting in a chair in the weeds watching trucks go by, you can be sitting in your chair getting your bearings done or some work done because you saw it coming before it became an issue and cost you thousands of dollars.
So you want to show us a little setup here? Show us what it looks like?
Sure. This is the BT7 screen. It's a 7-inch screen. Right now you can see the rear camera over here where Rich was just walking in. Go over and give us a big wave, Rich. written. You can see how clear that is. Not only does this give you your rear view camera, it cleans up your dash. So it's all about safety. So we're able to put many items into the BT7, the HaloView. They also have other products online, and you can check them out at haloview.com. But what this can do and get off your dash is it gets the TPMS monitor here. It gets your camera system here. It gets your traffic cam here. So with this mounted on your dash or on your rear view mirror, it clears everything up so you have a clear field of view. Now what's nice is if you're going down the road and you want to see more of an aspect of what's going on with your tires and your ATS. So here, if we just touch this button, it pulls up our whole system. So here's our tow vehicle. You can go up to 11 tires monitored here with the TPMS on your tow vehicle. So if you're having HDT, you're good to go. You can do up to 7 tires on your trailer, including your spare. And you can also do 3 different trailers. So if you're towing your RV one weekend and you want to tow your car hauler the next weekend, you simply just switch to trailer 2, and if you have the TPMS sensors on your second trailer, it'll automatically switch to that trailer. So there's many videos out there on Rich's channel. Check it out with Rich on tires on the road as well. But it's a complete system, comes with boosters, cameras. Here's the ATS, the axle temp sensor, mounts around your axle. And like I said, there's plenty of videos out there where you can get caught up on that. So it's just a perfect fit with Ramblin Man and HaloView with the Axe temp sensors, and the ultimate goal is to get you around the country safely.
Okay, so how do we get a hold of you?
You can reach out to us at ramblinmanrv.com, info@ramblinmanrv.com, or 1-800-991-9359, and we will get you service wherever you are. We're traveling all over the country all the time, and when I say we, I mean all the Ramblin' Men.
Yeah. Do you have on your website where you're going to be?
We do.
Okay.
So you'll
okay,
see
that's
the
good.
upcoming rallies we're headed to, the areas of the country that we're going to be in. And right now we have, in the winters at least, somebody in Florida, somebody in Arizona, and in the summers, Idaho and Illinois.
Okay. And John, how do we get hold of you?
Well, you can reach me at tiresontheroad@gmail.com. You can get to the HaloView products through haloview.com. If you use discount code TOTR5, or what's your discount code?
Check it out with Rich. 5.
So you can get 5% discount off of your HaloView orders by using either one of our discount codes. If you see us at a rally, HaloView extends a 10% discount code, which is only available at rallies to be able to purchase HaloView, so you get a steeper discount here at the rallies.
Okay. Good. Brooke, thank you.
Thanks, Rich.
Yep. John,
Thanks,
you.
Rich. Appreciate it.
All right. Let's sell a lot of HaloViews and do a lot of bearing
Let's
repacks
go.
today.
Yeah, we're out there working.
All right. Thanks for checking out. See you all next time. Bye.